The engaging design for this epoxy terrazzo floor in a new casino tells the tale of the landscape, art, and culture of the Yavapai people. Among the assets of the 3,900 square foot project are its 9 striking colors, the significance of the Native American motifs, and the energetic flash and flow of the interior. A composition of concentric rings representing Montezuma's wall, an ancient natural spring central to the Yavapai Creation Story, is the installation's focal point. The Terrazzo craftsmen worked extensively with the design team to make subtle changes to the layout that allowed it to be realized in terrazzo. Once the colors were installed and grouted, the contractor had to wait for a specialty lighting system to be installed above the floor. Then they had to finish the floor while keeping dust off the lights. The aggregate mix included glass and mirror. Both water jet cut and hand-formed strips were used. The work was completed in 25 days on this pleasing project at Yavapai Casino Resort in Fort McDowell, Arizona. We present this honor award to Advanced Terrazzo Company of Phoenix.